honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm going to fix some pork chops, gravy, Brussels sprouts, and brown rice. For the pork chops, I'll be using my Ninja Foodi Extra Large Grill. And to make the gravy, I'm using my best friend, cream of chicken soup. Yeah, it'll turn brown. Okay, and I got the rice cooking already in my aroma rice cooker. Y'all can't see it. So, I'm in the process of, I already rinsed off my Brussels sprouts, and I'm cutting the ends off and splitting them in half. So, it's on the other side of the kitchen. So, I will lower this camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I've already washed and marinated my pork chops. This is what I put over my bowls, y'all. Let me show y'all. I'm thinking it's a shower cap. But I buy a package of 100 at a time, and they come like this. And you open it up and put it over your bowl. And stretch it over a big bowl. See that? This way I don't have to use foil. These are super cheap. So, like I said, I already washed and marinated, seasoned my pork chops. I got 4 pork chops in here. All I put on here was yellow mustard, of course, and some Old Bay. I smell Worcestershire. I sprayed Worcestershire on here too. I smell it. I'm gonna put some black pepper on here. You lower this again. Okay. I didn't have this preheated. That's okay. Okay, this is my Ninja Foodi Extra Large Grill. I haven't even used an air fryer since I got this, because the air fries chicken just as well as a real air fryer. It does it all. It bakes, so I'm not going to preheat it. So, this is what the chops look like. About a ½ an inch thick. Oh, let me show you. I put this pan in here. Fits perfectly, so I don't have to wash what came with it. I just throw this away. I got 4 chops. Trying to arrange them so they all fit in this pan. Okay, you're gonna have to move. You got to move. So I can smush this some kind of way. It's gonna fit. This one looks like a baby steak, a baby T-bone, but it's pork chop. I'm smushing it in here so they're not overlapping, because I'm trying. Okay, that's good. Right. What am I looking for? Cream chicken soup. I'm going to put the soup on top of the chops. Let me see. That's the way the chops look in here. You can use cream of celery soup too. But I think the cream of chicken tastes the best. Even better than beef soup. Do they have a cream of beef? I don't know. But I like to taste the cream of chicken, and it won't have your food tasting like chicken. I'm just going to put this on top of the chops. This will turn into a nice thick brown gravy. And put some pepper. Spread it. Okay. Now this soup is already salty. Don't need any more salt. Now you can put other stuff on it if you want, like garlic powder, onion powder, because this doesn't have salt in it. Black pepper. What else I want? Let me go get my garlic and onion powder. There's no salt in this. It's the powder. Now don't get the onion salt or the garlic salt. People think I was putting a whole lot of salt on my food because I'm sprinkling stuff. This is granulated garlic. There's no salt in this. Okay. That's it, y'all. I want to squirt it again with some more Worcestershire. I think I will. I got Worcestershire in this bottle, and it sprays nicely. Okay. Now, I want to turn to grill or air crisp. Air crisp. I cook everything at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn it on. It don't need to preheat. I'm gonna turn off the preheat. It says add food, so I gotta raise this. And now I just start cooking. 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna go to the, let me show you. This is my aroma rice cooker, and I got my brown rice up in here. So it ain't doing nothing yet. I got some oil in here, some turmeric, and some black pepper. And the brown rice. And let's put on the brown rice setting right here. Okay. Let's go to the other part of the kitchen. Show you what I've been doing. Okay. These are the Brussels sprouts I use. They were frozen. And I was wondering if I can just dump them in the skillet or pot and cook them. And I read on the bag it says wash them before use. So, I'll rinse them off good. I'm still going to cut these ends off. They should be ready to cook since they're frozen, just like other frozen foods you buy. But I'm going to cut these ends off and split them in half. Keep my hands out the way. I'm putting them right in the skillet I'm going to cook them in. So I'm going to do this and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to put some, okay, I got a little water in the bottom of here. Oh my goodness, we'll have to clean the stove. You always put these things upside down and sideways. I just got a little water in the bottom. I'm going to put some cream of chicken soup up in here. Like I said, it's my best friend. I usually put bacon when I fix Brussels sprouts. I fry up some bacon and put it aside until the Brussels sprouts are done, and then I put it in there after it's done. This adds flavor, y'all. I don't have any bacon grease to put in here, else I would add it. I don't have chicken stock, else I would have added that instead of the water that's in the bottom. I'm going to use 2 cans. Cream of chicken soup. Two different brands. Just sink down. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna season them. I'm not gonna add any salt because the soup is salty. I'm going to add some garlic powder, granulated garlic. Just a little. Some granulated onion powder. Okay, I'm using this 14 spices, all-purpose seasoning. No salt in here at all. By Badia. It adds flavor with no salt. Black pepper. I want to add this. A little poultry seasoning. Because there's salt in here. Okay. Turn this fire on. Turn it down low. Put the lid on. I'm using my black and gold time and table cookware. This is the skillet. Put the lid on. And I will be back when it's doing something. Let me show you how the pork chops are doing. The air crisp setting had finished, so now I have it on the bake setting. Put it on the bake setting. I kind of broke these chops up. Y'all see what I'm doing. I didn't flip the chops over. Want that gravy to get down up in there. Okay, let this finish. So, let's get this rice done. Okay, it's boiling. Take the camera off. The rice is boiling. Like I said, I put turmeric in it and some black pepper and some oil. It takes a long time for brown rice to cook. So, well, the food ain't done yet, so it's okay. Okay, food is done. This is how the chops look. -1. I'm making me a pork chop sandwich, y'all. Okay, I didn't flip the chops over. You see that chicken soup turned to gravy. Okay. Let me bring my chop sandwich. Oh, we had this bread that I toasted the other day when I demonstrated this toaster. Making me a sandwich. Here are my Brussels sprouts. Nice and firm. And I got the brown rice. Let's see if they're done. Yep, they're done. Okay. Let's do a bite out of my pork chop sandwich. Don't need no ketchup, don't need no hot sauce, don't need nothing on it, just that gravy. Chops nice and tender, seasoned perfectly. I have to eat right now. It's almost 5 o'clock. So I want to thank you for watching. Turn this fire off from the Brussels sprouts. Everything else is done. I'm going to show you the rice. Okay, this is black pepper. I'm just letting this rice steam. I turn the fire off and just let the steam continue cooking it. Because don't nobody want no gummy rice. And I prefer brown rice over white rice. I like it a lot. So I may or may not show y'all my plate fixed. Because after I eat this chopped sandwich, I don't think I'm coming back. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye. Okay, y'all. Here's my dinner. Yum, yum, yum. Brown rice and the Brussels sprouts. Starting to fix more complete meals. Well, eat more complete meals. Okay, I'm going for real now. Bye.